Welcome to my channel, Study Room. Today we will learn about birds. Birds, the graceful creatures of the sky, the messengers of freedom, and one of the most fascinating groups of animals on our planet. From the tiny hummingbird that weighs less than a coin, to the mighty ostrich that cannot fly but runs faster than most animals. Birds are truly wonders of nature. There are more than 10,000 species of birds in the world. They live in forests, mountains, deserts, rivers, seas, and even in busy cities. Birds are warm-blooded, have feathers, 2 wings, and beaks. Most birds can fly, but some, like penguins and ostriches, are flightless. Each species is unique, with its own lifestyle, food habits, and survival techniques. Birds are not just beautiful to look at. They play a very important role in our environment. They control insect populations, spread seeds to grow new trees, and even help in pollination like bees do. Without birds, the balance of nature would be broken. Let us explore some amazing birds. The eagle, known as the king of birds, with sharp eyesight and powerful wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. The parrot, colorful, intelligent, and famous for mimicking human speech. The peacock, the national bird of India, admired for its dazzling feathers. The penguin, living in icy Antarctica, walking clumsily on land but swimming like a professional diver. The hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world, capable of flying backward. Birds have always been close to human life. They are symbols in poetry, religion, and culture. The dove represents peace. The owl stands for wisdom. In many countries, birds are considered sacred and bring good luck. Unfortunately, many bird species are endangered today. Deforestation, hunting, pollution, and climate change are major threats. The world has already lost some beautiful birds forever, like the passenger pigeon and the dodo. If we are not careful, more birds may disappear from the earth. That is why it is our responsibility to protect birds. Plant trees, keep the environment clean, stop using harmful chemicals, and never capture birds from the wild. By saving birds, we are saving our future. Birds remind us of freedom, beauty, and the harmony of nature. Let us celebrate them, learn from them, and most importantly, protect them. Because a world without birds would be a silent, lifeless place. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe.